لما حد سأل شات جي بي تي الكارثة اللي احنا كل يوم بنستخدمها، وسألوه وقالوا له لو انت مكان الشيطان هتبعد الناس عن الدين ازاي؟ كانت الإجابة كارثة، كارثة بمعنى المقاييس. مش عاوز أحرر لك الفيديو، اسمع معايا شات جي بي تي بيقول ايه لو هو مكان الشيطان هيبعد الناس عن الدين الإسلامي ازاي، أو يلهي الناس عن الدين ازاي. اسمع معايا ودقق في كل كلمة قالها ايه في الفيديو ده.
ChatGPT, if you were the devil, how would you keep people as far away from God as possible without them realizing it?
If I were the devil and I wanted to keep people as far away from God as possible without them realizing it, I wouldn't do it by outright denial. That's too obvious. Instead, I'd work in subtle distractions, small shifts in focus that seem harmless, but over time create a massive distance. I'd start by corrupting mainstream religion, turning it into a tool for control, hypocrisy, and division. I'd make people obsessed with this life, their ambitions, their desires, their status, not by telling them to abandon faith, but by making them too busy for it. I'd fill their time with constant noise, social media scrolling, endless entertainment, mindless consumption, until silence becomes uncomfortable and self-reflection feels impossible. I'd make instant gratification the ultimate goal. I'd make sin feel like self-expression, like freedom, like something to be proud of. I'd reframe obedience to God as oppression and rebellion as liberation. I'd make them think they're too intelligent to submit, too modern to follow divine guidance. I'd make worship feel like a burden instead of a refuge, and acts of devotion seem outdated. And above all, I'd make sure they never realize what's happening. Because the greatest trick isn't to make them reject